Let's flow through a simple sun salutation. Start at the top of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Reach your forehead down towards your knees. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthening the spine. Step your left foot back, low lunge. Inhale, reach both of your arms up to the sky. Open your chest up. Exhale, step your right foot back to downward facing dog. Press your hands into the mat to lift your hips up and back. Inhale, high plank, drop your knees, chest, chin, down. Inhale, low cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Let's continue. Step your left foot forward in between your hands. Drop your right knee down. Inhale, reach your arms up, maybe slightly bend back. Beautiful. Exhale, step your right foot forward to meet your left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach up, become tall. Exhale, guide your hands to the heart center. Inhale, follow your breath here. Reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold to release. One breath, one movement. Reach to halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale, step your right foot back. Low lunge. Inhale, reach your arms up. Sinking your hips down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, high to low. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Drop your knee down. Low lunge. Lengthening the spine, sinking your hips down. And as you exhale, step your left foot forward to meet your right foot together. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach up. Become tall, lengthening the spine. Exhale, guide your hands down. Inhale, reach up, maybe bend back. Exhale, fall forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step your left foot back. Inhale, reach your arms up. And breathe into the left hip. Exhale, down dog. Sinking your chest towards your knees. Inhale, high plank. Exhale to low. Inhale, upward facing dog. Look up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's continue. We are almost there. Step your left foot forward. Low lunge. Breath into your heart here. Exhale. Step your right foot forward and take a halfway lift. Lengthening. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, guide your hands to the heart center. And one more, last flow. Reach up. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale. Halfway lift. Exhale. Step your right foot back. Inhale, low lunge. Bend back, sinking your hips down. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your left foot back. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, high to low. Inhale, upward facing dog. Look up, squeeze your shoulder blades together. Exhale, press back to down dog. Inhale. Step your right foot forward, drop your left knee down, sinking your hips, reach your arms up, inhale. Exhale, step your left foot forward to meet your right, halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, guide your hands to the heart center. Inhale to integrate your breath in through the nose. Exhale, release your arms along the side of your body. Last inhale and exhale, let it go.